Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Jeff Sibelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. Are you shopping for a drone in late 2020? Maybe you're getting a Christmas present for someone or getting something for yourself. Well, there are a lot of drones on the market, as you can see here, and this certainly isn't even all of them. So what's the best drone to get for you or for the person in your life right now? In this episode, I'm going to talk through probably 10 or 12 different drones that are the most popular drones on the market right now. And I'm going to give you my honest thoughts. If you know my channel, you know I give non-fanboy reviews, and I will do it in this episode too. But I'll talk about which drones are the best ones to shop for different kinds of people, from beginners to more advanced drone operators. And I'm going to tell you a few to stay away from too. They get a lump of coal from me this time. So let's get started talking about drones in late 2020. Which ones should you buy? In this video, we're going to talk about several different drones. I've also published a separate video on the best drone accessories and gift ideas for drone pilots to help you with your holiday shopping. The link to the accessories video is in the upper right corner now. These two videos provide you with dozens of ideas for gifts for the drone pilot in your life. I've also published a complete drone catalog featuring dozens of gift ideas in all price ranges for more than 10 different models of drones. It's a one-stop shop to make it easy to get the right gifts for your drone pilot no matter what they fly. That drone catalog is linked in the description below. So let's talk about the drones you can buy in late 2020. If you're looking to buy a drone, which one should you get? Okay, let's start with what you should not get. If you're in the United States at least, I recommend that you avoid any drone made by Yuneec. That will shock some of you who know that I've probably done more videos on Yuneec drones than anyone else on YouTube. But Yuneec has totally abandoned the consumer drone market and left a lot of loyal customers hanging in the process. They are now selling commercial grade drones, but I have no faith that they will back these drones in the future since they failed to back their consumer drones in the past. That's a big lump of coal for Yuneec. The other drone I recommend that you not buy is the Parrot Anafi. It's actually a nice little drone, but it handles wind poorly, and, well, the last time I checked anyway, they had no repair facility in the United States. So if you want to get something fixed, you'll probably have to do it yourself. And for a drone that costs $700 or so, that's just not good. So let's talk about what drones you should buy. The Mavic Mini is a terrific $400 drone. It's tiny, so it's portable, and it has remarkable capabilities. On the downside, it handles wind very poorly and it has no obstacle avoidance. Its price and capabilities make it a great choice for brand new drone pilots and people who need the smallest drone they can find. Just understand that you won't be able to fly in some situations where you could with other drones because of wind. I've done a full review of this drone. The link is in the upper right corner now. The regular price is $399 or $499 for the Fly More combo. Don't be surprised if it goes on sale for the holidays because it has recently been replaced with the Mini 2 drone, so click the link in the catalog to check for current pricing. As I said, DJI just released the Mini 2. It looks almost identical to the Mavic Mini, but it has a better camera and uses an improved video transmission system. It still doesn't have obstacle avoidance, but DJI claims it will perform better in the wind. I have one on order now, so I don't have a review. But watch the video linked in the upper right corner now for more information. Again, this is a great choice for new drone pilots, travelers, and people who care about a small form factor. The Fimi X8SE 2020 is another drone in the $500 price range. It shoots high-quality video and handles wind better than the Mavic Mini. It's larger, so it's less portable than the Mini, but it's still really pretty small. The problems with the Fimi are that the app for this drone is really lousy. It doesn't have the same video transmission quality as the DJI drones, and Fimi doesn't have a repair facility in the US. However, I've seen a lot of people talking about the great support they've received from Fimi regarding technical issues, so that mitigates the repair concerns to some extent. So, with those qualifications in mind, I can recommend the Fimi X8SE 2020 for entry-level drone pilots and even hobbyist flyers. If you buy it, definitely get the range extenders. They made a big difference for me. My favorite drone of the year is the Mavic Air 2. This drone is probably the best value, that is, capabilities versus cost, of any drone I've ever seen. It shoots stunning video, has an amazing video transmission, incorporates the APAS collision avoidance system that works extremely well. This drone has 90% of the capabilities of the Mavic 2 Pro or even the Evo 2, and it's half the price. The downsides of this drone are that it doesn't have side obstacle avoidance, its control app is poorly organized, and, like all DJI drones, it's difficult to see in the sky because of its color. I did a complete review on this drone. It's linked in the upper right corner now. So who is this drone right for? Almost anyone. Unless you need things like 10-bit video, a larger sensor, or 360-degree obstacle avoidance, I just don't see the value in spending more for other drones. Understand that I own many drones, including the very expensive Phantom 4 Pro and the Typhoon H+. When I went on vacation recently, what drone did I choose to use? The Mavic Air 2. I flew it all over the place, over rivers, in the desert, off the top of a mountain, and it performed amazingly well. If the Air 2 is the best choice for me, chances are that it's the best choice for you. The Mavic Air 2 regular price is $799, and the Fly More combo is $988. By the way, I keep talking about the Fly More combo. This is a package that comes with all the stuff that you get with the drone, plus extra batteries, often a charging hub, a case, extra propellers. In most cases, the Fly More combo works out to be a better value because it's cheaper than getting all the extra things separately. Some of the things in the combo are stupid, like the propeller guards for the Mavic Mini. But overall, it's worth the extra money if it fits your budget. Also, if you're going to buy the Fly More combo, check to see what's included. That way, if you're sharing gift ideas with other people, you'll know to tell them not to get things like extra props, cables, a battery hub, whatever you're getting in the combo anyway. That just avoids gift duplication. Another drone I would recommend is the Autel Evo. This drone has been replaced by the Evo 2, but the original Evo is an excellent drone. It's a real workhorse. You can find it used on eBay. I love that it's orange, so it's visible in the sky, and it doesn't have any built-in flight restrictions like you get with DJI products. Alright, let me run through a few more drones very quickly. Mavic Pro is an older drone, but it's still a terrific option, but only if you can get it super cheap. The Mavic Air 2 is a much better drone, and it only costs $799. The Mavic 2 Zoom. I see no reason to get this drone over the Mavic Air 2, unless you need the zoom to do search and rescue work or something like that. And the Air 2 has zoom capability now, so even that advantage has been mitigated for the Mavic 2 Zoom. Mavic 2 Pro is a great drone. I really want one. But again, it's twice the price of the Air 2, and it doesn't give you that much more. The Autel Evo 2... I haven't flown one yet. It looks like a great drone, but for me it's just too expensive. I don't see any value or feature set that it has to justify how expensive it is. A friend of mine has the Evo 2 and I'm hoping to try it out. Maybe flying it will change my mind on its value. Maybe Autel will run a sale on the Evo 2 at Christmas time to make it more competitive. For now at least, I can't recommend the Evo 2 as much as I love Autel. The Skydio 2, first of all, it's unlikely you will be able to get one of these before Christmas. But if you're planning to buy one off eBay, I encourage you to really consider how you will use it. If you want something to chase you around, dodging trees and buildings, there is no better drone on Earth. But I tried the Skydio 2 out with a controller and it just was not a very good flying experience. I'm going to do a video on this soon, but as a drone, not a selfie drone, but a drone, the Skydio 2 is, to me, a poor choice. That sums up my thoughts on the most popular drones available in late 2020. Since we're approaching December, I've set up a complete shopping catalog so you can do all of your holiday shopping in one spot. I published the complete catalog on a webpage, which includes gift ideas for owners of a dozen different types of drones. The link to that complete catalog is also in the description below. On screen you'll find a playlist of videos that give more information about various products in this episode and my video on the best drone accessories and gift ideas for drone pilots. Before you go, be sure to click the Cartoon Jeff icon on screen to subscribe. That's it for now. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thanks for watching.